Okay, so hello everyone. Today is ML Day 12. Okay, so basically I almost completed this field like series of NLP. So going from tokenization, processing pipeline, which N contains uh, named entity, NAR, uh, POS, and then stemming and lemmatization. Stemming basically removing the suffix like eating to eat, running to run, going to base word. And a lemmatization, it is more of grammatical like past to present. It ran to run, it ate to eat, like in this form. Okay, previous tagging basically by its noun or pronoun verb in this way. Namative of recognition, basically telling the something is a person or a company name or it's an organization in this way. Okay, representation one hot we know level encoding. Back of word, this is simply the count of the words, like how many times the word is present in the document or whatever the text or we have string. Okay, whatever the thing is. Stop words. Okay, we are stopping few words. We know. Actually, the bag of n-gram. It's basically the bag of n-gram is like a let's say a bigger version. When n is equal to 1, it becomes the bag of words. Basically, one word we can say bag of n grams. Here, basically, instead of keeping track of one word, we keep track of n words. Text representation, TF IDF. This is basically simply kind of ratio TF and IDF is a log of something. Then these two are multiplied to get the result. Okay, I have searched it on ChatGPT, TF IDF. Okay, then TF IDF. Term frequency, how many times it has appeared in the document, and inverse document frequency. And this is inverse document frequency, log of number of documents and number of documents containing T. Is a 1 plus 2 divided being 0, and these two are multiplied to get the TF IDF. Okay, and they are basically kind of encoding some a bit of practice uh, using ML models. Okay, I have to work on these projects. Maybe I'll do it later. So this was the project I was working on. Basically, this was simple version only. We used generative AI. The simple LLM which Gemini Google API key here. I just read our resume, defined our model, gave a good prompt. I simply invoked it later. Okay, great. Let me try to run it now. I will just close it. Here's code. Run it again. Command prompt. Great. Simulate run. Prompt. Okay, I will need to upload the resume and job description. Okay, just let me pick one. One turn, I got this, and I will take my CV. Let me just submit it. Okay, these were the two GitHub required effort. Basically, this was same ATS code. One was using this simple LM, like using simple Gulipay key and get a response and giving a better prompt. Other was using NER. This one here use spacing, get a blank, and okay, name And this in the pipeline it uses NER, named entity recognition. Okay, so these were two methods. Okay, so I basically am using currently this one. Let me save code response. Okay, the JT match is 70%. The missing keywords were actually these were the obviously the words missing. AI, RAG, LangChain analysis, deployment, fine tuning, problem solving. Let me just walk through the JD. Okay, these were the terms, and in my CV I did include this. Okay, let me open my CV. Text. So one was on computer vision. So also close to computer vision. This was also close to computer vision. So there was no mention of these words. It basically uh, there's a good response. Let's find all missing word correctly. After that, it went on suggesting two projects to like fill up these missing words, like based on these missing words. Okay, the first one is AI powered silent service recommender using LangChain and RAG. Focus on AI agents, agentic RAG, LangChain, problem solving, great. There was also GitHub repo. Okay, I couldn't find it. I asked it to. You will need to like okay handle it separately or do something about it. Okay, another was interview questions. Basically, the Python basic like top kind you can say top interview questions. Most probable machine learning based. There was also resume based. Like these were the projects I work on. I'm on detection. There was a competition. What tools I use. Okay, so based on your resume, these were the questions. Behavior questions. Or some other questions like technical domain specific. So this is the current status. I will need to improve the response, make it more attractive, and also I need to think how to improve this app. This is simply using LM only. Let me think how to improve this. Okay, I think that's it for today. Bye bye.